Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here again in the morning. Oh, I want to buy something for me. Oh, I want to buy something for me. Where's the here? Conditioner. I need a conditioner. Conditioner. Kuya, where's your cream silk? Cream silk conditioner.
Shampoo?
Conditioner. Waxan. This one is written down. Baksay, prinsip. Shampoo, this one. Nasaan ni? Ayun. Kailan ko yung naka-sale na $15. Wala naka-promo. Wala sila naka-promo. Yan. And I need the vegetables. Wala sila naka-promo. Wala. Ito na kung ito. Ay, ito pala. This one. I want this one. The special ito. Magkano ito? How much this one? 23. 66. This one is special offer. Special offer. Balik ko na lang. Yan. I'm here in Lulu again. I just buy what I need to cook today. But I buy for myself also. It's good they still have a special offer with something. And I'm gonna buy two.